Cooper here, and today we're taking a look at Super Shine from AutoMagic. So Super Shine is a durable, solvent-based dressing designed specifically for use on the exteriors of your vehicle. This is going to leave your rubber moldings, tires, trim with a wet look, but is dry to the touch. So I'll use it on my tires today. Did a tire prep before this, so they should be good to go. I'll show you two different ways how to use it. I got my applicator pad here. So first we'll apply it directly to the tire and then use the applicator pad, and then on the front tire we will just apply it directly to the pad and apply the application. So we'll just go ahead and get going here on this rear tire. Super Shine is a ready-to-use product, so there's no need to dilute it down at all. You can just pour it into a bottle and just apply it to the tire. Let it spread a little bit here. And we'll go in with our applicator pad here. Super Shine is an economical, high-glass, silicone-based dressing specifically designed for professional car detailing. Its advanced formula provides long-lasting shine and protection for those various exterior and interior surfaces such as tires, trim, vinyl, and rubber. All right, so we'll let that tire settle and move on to the front. So this is my preferred method of applying a tire dressing. I like to just saturate the applicator itself and apply the product. Super Shine leaves a non-greasy, water-resistant finish that ensures a clean, vibrant appearance, making it the perfect choice for both professionals and car enthusiasts seeking a superior shine. We'll let this tire settle as well, and we'll bring it out into the sun here in a moment, and we'll take a look at the shine.